Brandon wa Karanja has finally reunited with Mary Lincoln and has even publicly apologized to her. Brandon says that for months now makoretwo makiranĩte, and he has admitted that he was the one at fault. Nĩaririe mĩario mĩũru ĩgiĩ Mary Lincoln na agĩcoka akĩmũruma nenda-inĩ, na from there onwards magĩtuĩka a kũũranwo. Their friendship ended, and Brandon even says that the mother-son bond that they used to have also ended. No rĩu mũthenya wa ira nĩ maracemanirie na marahota kûrekanîra. I'm guessing this was during Joyce Irongo's celebration of 10 years music event, and now Brandon has even gone as far as taking to his social media pages to issue a public apology to Mary Lincoln. He wrote this from the bottom of his heart, akiuga, "It's been months in the silence of denial. No more again. It was meant to be mother and son bond. It was created, but a lot happened and occurred along the streets, and the two souls once parted ways with a lot of misunderstandings. The same platform I insulted you and abused you painful words, it's the same platform I'm in, apologizing and making it come clean that we are in terms once more. Meeting up with you yesterday was the most grateful moment I had. The warm hug was overwhelming with love and caring as a mother. Yes, it happened, it occurred, a lot was said. Mama, this is for you. Nĩndakũrumire ngĩaria ũũru waku, ngĩheana ũũru waku na ngiuga marĩa moru maku na ndiheane wega. No ũrimũ no ta ũthũngũ. Ndekaga ũguo njũĩ ndekaga wega, no nĩ kũũra ndorĩte njĩra itekũmenya kumagwo nĩ gũcokagwo. Your caring and loving is with no one in this circle. Ngai agũtũũrie mũno Mary Lincoln wa kũrurĩra hau na atũme kĩrĩa gĩtũmaga rũmena rũingĩre gĩtikanacoke." Wow, you can see Brandon has admitted to having insulted Mary Lincoln, and through the same platform that he used to abuse and insult her, he's now apologizing to her and has even confirmed that they are now in good terms. And more proof to that, he has even shared lovely photos of them hugging it out. Na nĩahoete rũmena rũu rũtikanamacokerere tene tene. And of course, this has taken everyone by surprise. No one saw this coming, but it has been well received. Their fans are happy to see them finally mending things and bringing back the peace that was once there between them. Kudos to the two of them.